Greetings and salutations, my name is Tish and welcome to the Artist Haven. In this video I'm going to be using this color palette in a reverse dip bottle bottom pour. I've got my paints all ready, so let's get down to it. An inspiration from Heather Mader art. If you don't know who Heather Mader is, you need to go to her channel. I'll put a link up here in that little eye dot thing. So go over to her channel. But Friday night she did a beautiful Dutch pour with a gray background. So I'm going to be using my palette colors with gray. Let's get our paint on the canvas and get this painting started.
Try, I'm pretty sure it's worth. You'll change your life. Nothing will be lost if you dive so deep into my heart.
I'm going to give this a quick torch. Alright, let's start laying our colors down. I am going to be putting a little bit of the base coat down, and then I'm going to start with the darker blue and move my way over. I'm also going to be using my iridescent white mix in between the colors.
Nothing will be lost if you try. I'm pretty sure it's worth. You'll change your life. Nothing will be lost if you dive so deep into my heart.
Alright, let's get our little leaf blower out and blow the excess paint off. Okay, and let's lift this bottle bottom off. I'm going to put a little bit of white and a dollop of blue and a dollop of this bright yellow. Again, my favorite tool comes to play. I'm going to use the thick end and we're going to draw some lines through this. Alright, that out of the way. And I know Fiona, whom, if you don't know who Fiona is, I will put a link in the other eye box, the little eye dot. She does these fantasy flower pours, but she uses a cup bottom, or she does dots. I'm not steady-handed enough, but she also uses napkins. I'm going to use painter's plastic. So, okay, let's do the big reveal. Alright, we're going to get the corners here, then we're going to pop some bubbles, and then we're going to give it a spin. I'm going to give it one little gentle tilt. like it a little chaotic and crazy in the middle, and then it mellows out as it goes. So I'm going to give it one more spin here. There we go. Okay, one more torch, and then a close-up. And there you go. A bottle bottom reverse dip fantasy flower. If you are not familiar with Friday Night Flip Cup, head on over to the Friday Night Flip Cup palette challenge over on our community tab. I will post dried results of this in the community tab. Thank you so much for joining me today. Remember, be kind to one another. Peace, love, and happiness.